sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Here they go. Look at that kitty.
Ready to go on the ride? Here we go. Hold on to Katie's hand. Hold on to Katie's hand. Let's go. Let's go.
Magic, you and I, they call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
How was it?
That was good. Puke?
Yeah. Are you doing all right, buddy?
I don't like that ride. I thought I was going to throw up.
Are you feeling all sick? You guys need a little recuperation. Ice cream break.
What?
Said
Ice cream, baby.
Ice cream break. Oh, you got it all over your face. Will you, Clara?
Start licking that thing.
Is it good?
Yeah, timber.
Spoon and a cone all at once. Perfect, hey? Wait in line. Here we go. What color do you think we're gonna get, Carly?
I don't know.
Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now.
Mom, I've never been on this ride before.
Kind of matching.
Did you say bye?
Hey, drive. We got Carly up front. Hey, Carly. Hey.
Here we go. Where did they go?
Oh, do you want to hold on to your steering wheel?
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, look back at this, the summer night. one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the sun.
It messes my brain up.
Wait, it does?
Yes.
Let me try. So then. Oh my gosh, I look so fat. I look so fat.
Miss Blaster. Oh, you guys might get sprayed. There's a button. Do it.
Oh no, not the face. Okay, this way.
It's not that bad.
Hey guys, the stairs! Guys, the
Yeah, my
stairs!
phone
We
went.
cannot. We missed something.
No, I did.
We missed one.
There. Oh, I didn't even know that.
Okay, let's go.
Run!
Run!
You having your morning coffee?
Oh, ah.
Cheers. Cheers. Good job. Drink your coffee. Good morning to be camping, huh? We are on day 2 of camping. Yesterday we went to Callaway Park and that was a lot of fun. It was really nice yesterday. Today it's a little bit rainy out, but we're making the most of it. We're gonna hang around the campground today. Right now for lunch I am making taco in a bag, so I am grilling it up and I'm going to be putting in some Old El Paso taco seasoning mixed with this. Here you go. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. And look how much cheese I just grated. That's a lot of cheese.
Yeah, well we need enough for 6 people.
Yeah.
So we got all of our toppings here. We got the ground beef. Here we got cheese, yellow peppers, sour cream, salsa, and lettuce. Okay, so you gotta just crunch it gently. Okay, so yeah, what you wanna do is take one of these bags and just gently crunch it a little bit. Just cut along the top like that, or actually not along the top, you want to cut along the side of it so then it becomes like a little bag like that.
Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk.
So you just mix that all up together and it is so good. If you have not experienced taco in a bag, you really need to try it. It is a fantastic camping food, or just whenever you feel like it food. You want some, baby? Yum! It's good.
And it's so good!
It's baby approved, right? Oh, Clara, you look so tired.
Are we going to a park?
I don't know. It's pretty far away. Where do you guys think we're going?
Are we going to the train museum right next to us?
Where do you think we're going? It's really far away.
Are you sure it's very?
Oh wait, we're here.
Oh my god.
What do you guys think we're doing here?
Train station?
Uh-huh.
Ghost train?
Not a ghost train.
Yeah. Train station!
We're gonna go on a train ride.
Yeah!
Who wants to go on a train ride?
Yeah, we're going on a train ride.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like.
So we got back from the train and the campground is completely empty because everybody's going back to work and to school, and we're taking an extended vacation. I got my book. I'm gonna just sit outside here and relax. Clara's got some chips going on here. Carly's playing baseball, I believe, of some sort. And it is a chill day. I'm just gonna sit here and relax now. And oh, by the way, I'm reading The Read Out Loud Family by Sarah Mackenzie. campground, and I just wanted to show you these really cute train cars that people can rent out and stay in as little cabins, and I thought they were just the coolest thing. Alright, we are gonna have a campfire and say goodnight. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in our next one.
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling